Hi everyone, Big Pauly back for a brand new Steelbook unboxing. Yes, today I'm unboxing Joker. Oh yes. Hopefully it's in good condition considering it's sold out on Zavvi. As you can see, I have some crushed bits on each end. So let's open it and have a look, see what we've got. Oh, fabulous. Fabulous. Joker. Steelbook. I love the design on that. It's a fantastic design. Probably the best design on the Steelbooks, if you ask me. And we have the Joker logo there as well. Right, let's open it up and have a good look inside. Okie dokie. And would you believe it, I've actually got a mint Steelbook. It's the first time for everything. Okie dokie. Right, first of all, there's the card, the old back in J card. We've got the Joker logo there, plus 4K Ultra HD. So it includes the Ultra HD and also the Blu-ray as well. And all the special features and specifications. There is the Steelbook itself. So we have a matte finish, but we have a spot gloss on Joker, which is really nice. That is a removable sticker, so that's good. Very nice. Shame there ain't no embossing or debossing, but the spot gloss on Joker makes up for it. Also, there's a little DC logo there. That's also spot gloss as well. And also Joaquin Phoenix as well, and Robert De Niro. So there's the spine, Joker, and very nice back design. Okie dokie, so we have two discs, obviously, one for the 4K and one for the Blu-ray. What is this? We have some Bird of Prey stuff in here. First of all, so there's the Steelbook. Love that design. And on the inside, really nice. Yes, what's this? Bird of Prey. We have a little leaflet. So we have Bird of Prey on one side, or Birds of Prey rather, and we have Wonder Woman 1984 on the other. Oh, some little Birds of Prey mini posters. Very nice. And among the discs here, so we have the standard Blu-ray, which unfortunately doesn't have any artwork on. It's just Blu-ray blue. And the 4K is a nice clowny red. Very nice, so blue and red there. So yes, very nice. Very happy with that. Very happy with the overall look of the Steelbook. Love that design, really do. Fabulous. And I'm happy that I've got a dent-free Steelbook because it's sold out at Zavvi. Brilliant. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Joker, the 4K Ultra HD Steelbook. Like the video by giving it some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.